For over 100 years, oil controlled the world. It created empires, fueled wars, and built trillion-dollar economies. But now, a new battle has begun. And the winner won't just control energy, they may control the future of civilization itself. This is lithium, often called white gold. These rare minerals power everything from electric cars to military technology. The problem? The world desperately needs these batteries, but only a few nations control the supply. While the world focused on oil, China quietly built an invisible empire. China doesn't just mine lithium and cobalt, it dominates the processing industry. Even if minerals are mined in Australia or Africa, many still travel to China before becoming batteries. That makes battery technology one of the biggest geopolitical choke points on Earth. Now the rest of the world is racing to catch up. The United States and Europe are spending billions to move supply chains, and countries like Indonesia are using their mineral wealth as geopolitical leverage. This is no longer just an economic battle. It's a fight for future global dominance. The next superpower may not be the country with the most oil. It may be the country that controls the batteries powering the world. So, when the battery revolution is complete, who will own the future of energy? China, America, or someone else?